These are my natural nails. Watch this video if you want to know my top 3 products for strong and healthy nails.
Hi everyone, my name's Kristen. I am the face behind the nails here on my TikTok. I usually just show off my nails, usually hide behind the camera. I don't like to show my face very much, but today I thought why not, and I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 picks for nail care. Sun is clearly in my face, but hey, good lighting is good lighting. So let's get started. So my number 1 nail care product is this nail strengthener. It's the OPI Nail Envy Original Nail Strengthener. I put 2 coats underneath my nail polish every time I plan on wearing nails for more than a few days, because I do change my nails pretty frequently for TikTok and for Instagram. So that is my favorite nail strengthener. It hardens, it strengthens, it does everything you need a nail strengthener to do. Number 2 is a newer product to me, which I have shared several times on this account, so you wouldn't be surprised to see these guys. They're the Shop NBM Cuticle Buddies. Hands down, the best cuticle oil ever. They actually just today launched these. So we have blackberry iced tea, watermelon slushy, and mango smoothie. I'm telling you, you need these. They smell so good. And then one of my favorite parts is the bottle. When you take it out of the packaging, it's like this pretty ombre. All of them have different colors, and your nails will thank you later, but you apply them 2 to 3 times a day in order to see results. They will both strengthen and they will help your nails grow. So highly recommend these. If you use my code KUIPER10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off your order. And then my last favorite product for nail care is the Lights Lacquer Nourishing Elixir. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, super good for your nails. I like to use it as a base when I'm doing any negative space manicure or French. I'm actually wearing it right now as a base, and it's just perfect. Wait until you see the difference with my nails with it and my nails without it. It even has a shimmer to it. It's absolutely stunning. So check that out. I also have an affiliate code for Lights Lacquer, and I go through this stuff like it's water, like it's insane. I use it all the time. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below of your nail care favorites, and let me know if you pick up any of mine. Forgot to say thank you guys for watching, so. And I apologize for the 3-minute long video, but nail care is important, what can I say? If you made it to the end, thank you for watching the whole thing. Bye!